This video will cover changing the transmission oil of an M46 1982 Volvo 240. This can be completed over lunch. After a fresh drive and while the oil is still hot, raise the front of your car on ramps or jack stands. Place an oil collector beneath your transmission. Unscrew the oil check plug, and then unscrew the drain plug, allowing the oil to flow into your collector. Move your collector underneath the overdrive, farther back on the transmission. Unscrew the overdrive cover at its 6 mounting locations, and let the oil flow into your collector. Then clean the gasket surface and strainer. Clean the overdrive cover, and add a new gasket. Reseat your new gasket and overdrive cover to the transmission. Inspect and clean the drain plug magnet, then reseat. Pour 2.4 quarts of your preferred oil into the transmission so that the level reaches the check opening, spilling over the side. I used Type F oil for this purpose and fitted the bottle with a hose for access to the opening. Reseat your check level screw, take for a drive, and double check for leaks. After that, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.